Okay, hello everybody. So I have had this Bambu X1 Carbon with the AMS for about a week, and I've printed almost 1/3 of a roll or maybe half a roll of PETG and some PLA tough material filaments. And why I made this video is because of this PETG. I've been struggling, let's say, with that. So first of all, this box I printed, and it was okay. Like you can see, this side looks quite okay. The other sides, maybe, hopefully you are able to see, but it's the surface is not even. Here it's much rougher surface, and here it's smooth. This was with 1.1 millimeter layer thickness. Also on this side, most of the surface is quite rough, and but on this side it's awful. Like you can see, there is quite much this kind of a layer adhesion problems. So basically the first layer has been separated completely, and this is basically rendered this useless. And other things that I have had with the PETG is, okay, this is also regarding the layer adhesion. These don't hold quite well in, so this kind of a towers we have here, when you give even a small pressure to it, it will break. So quite much stumbling with this. And okay, then on another case, I needed to make this kind of a spacer for my stereo microscope. So I took the measurements and printed the spacer, and actually printed quite many of them, but they didn't fit. And I was looking at what's wrong with them. Okay, basically the dimensions, there were, let's say, 0.5 millimeter. This is 54 millimeters inner diameter, and it was 0.5 millimeter too small. And one thing that I noticed, that hopefully you are able to see, but this surface has been sunk from the middle, so it's like this. And the inner surface is not straight or smooth or flat. Let's say flat. And I haven't found a fix for that. But for the dimensional things, I have found a fix. There's this company called Vector 3D, and it didn't cost. I think it was less than 10 euros. This kind of a, if you buy this, you get the STL file for this kind of a cauliflower, and then instructions, an Excel sheet where you input the measurements, and so basically you print this thing, and then you measure from 10 different positions, 5 internal and 5 external dimensions, and then it will give you this kind of a results, which tells you the error, what is the error, and then I'm not sure is it said here, but yeah, it's told here. There is this kind of a dimensions. For example, for this I had to get the Orca slicer, because that one has the shrinkage compensation. So it will directly give, once you input all those values, it will give you the shrinkage compensation percentage, and in Orca slicer you can input this, but not on the Bambu Bambu Studio. There is no value for that. And once I put that there, I get very good dimensions on that. So basically, I think that less than 0.1 millimeter was the error with this cauliflower when printed after the shrinkage corrections. So that is I highly recommend to buy this vector 3D calibration thing. So that is good, but still that didn't fix this shrinking or sagging from the center. I printed this on this side, so it doesn't explain that why it sunk like that. So if anybody have any suggestions how to fix this kind of a shrinkage from the center, the dimensions from the end where it's beside the plate, they were okay. So if you measure here and then here, it's okay. But on the center, it didn't. They are not good. Maybe it has to do something with the temperature or something like that. But hey, one more thing. I was managed to tweak the settings so that I get quite good results. So basically, I had to ramp up the temperature for the PETG up to 200. So the nozzle temperature is 265 degrees Celsius. That did give good results. And what else did I do? Yeah, lowered the speed as well. But I think that the biggest thing was raising the temperature from the standard 255 to 265, and that was good. I tried also 270 degrees, but that gave me some sort of a blobs on the surface. It was not good. So lowering down to 265 made it good. But still, I need to find out that why is this surface sagging like this. So any suggestions, please put in the comment section. Thanks. Bye.